Welcome, Joan students, to class today on this Tuesday, the 16th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you studied and prepared very well for this test. It will be a challenging test, so please be ready to work hard and do your best. Quickly, some announcements. Incompletes today. Let's see what we got. You know by now, if you miss a day of class, it's your job to go to this website and watch the video. Please do not forget to do that. Incompletes, track 1. Quiz number 8, Alicia and Caitlin. If this is wrong, please contact me. This must be taken by Friday. Please don't forget that. Miss Frampton, make sure you have a copy of Quiz 8 for these two young ladies for when they want to take the quiz. Alicia, Chapter 6 test, okay? Please don't forget about this. It must be taken by Friday. Students, any problems at all with this, please contact me. Thank you. Moving on. Now, as far as I know, everyone in the room today should be taking the final exam. No one contacted me. No one asked for an extension. So, here we go. Moving on. Schedule today, we're going to take the exam. Okay, Miss Frampton, please email me with a list of who's absent today, okay? Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, let's go ahead and go over your test. Pause the video. Pass the test out. As soon as they are passed out, let's go over your test at that time. Okay, students, here we go. I'm going to go quickly. Whatever I say, please feel free to write on your test. Numbers 1, 2, and 3. Find the slope of each line and then tell me, are they parallel, perpendicular, or oblique? Oblique just simply means that they're not parallel or perpendicular. Okay? Alright, moving on. Number 3. Find the midpoint. C between those points A and B. Okay? So find the midpoint of A and B. Look at number 5. Take your answer from number 4, okay? And confirm that your answer from number 4 is the midpoint. How do you do that? By simply finding the distance of AC and the distance of CB, okay? So use the distance formula and find the distance of AC. Point A is in number 4, and CB, point B, is in number 4. Please listen. Those two answers, AC and CB, should be the same. Okay, if not, you've made a mistake somewhere, either in number 4 or in number 5. Okay, number 6. Number 6, find the measure of angle 1. I've given you the measure of angle XYZ. Number 7. On number 7, I'd like to make a suggestion to you. Please draw out the entire picture. I would draw the picture out. You have points A, B, C, D, and E. They're all lined up on the same line in alphabetical order. And then I tell you some information there. Segment AB is 6. B is the midpoint of AC. C is the midpoint of AE. Find the length of AE. Please draw a picture of that. Moving on to the next page, use statements A and B for numbers 8 through 13. I'm not going to say a lot about this. Number 8, take those two statements, write them in if-then form. Number 9, what is the hypothesis from statement A? 10, what is the conclusion from statement B? 11, take your answers from number 8 and write their converses. So go back to number 8, look at your two answers, and now write the converses of those. Okay, moving on to number 12. One of the converses from number 11 is true. One of them is. Take this converse and write it in if and only if form. Number 13. The other converse from number 11 is false. Give me a counterexample. Number 14. Write vector AB as an ordered pair. A is your initial point. 15 and 16. Subtract vectors U and V. And then 16. Take the dot product of vectors U and V. Number 17 through 21. Use that diagram right there and follow those instructions. 17 through 22. Alright, 23. Solve that using substitution or linear combination, whatever you prefer. Number 24. Write a linear equation of a line that is parallel to that line. Number 25. Write a linear equation for the line that is perpendicular to that line. Okay? Number 26. Find the measure of angle ACB. Okay, it's going to be a tough problem, but you should know how to do that. Make note of this on 26. On number 26, I'm testing your memory on the two remote interior angles and the exterior angle. What do they have in common? Okay, you should be able to solve for x and then find the measure of angle ACB. 27, find the length of side AB. Okay, you should be able to do that. That a lot of these drawings, students are not drawn to scale on purpose. Okay, so understand that. 28 is triangle ACD congruent to triangle ACB. Explain why or why not. Students, please listen. If you say yes, they're congruent, then how do you explain yourself? Well, you put either side, 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 or side, angle, side, or angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side, or hypotenuse, leg. Okay? Let me say that again, guys. If you say yes, they're congruent, then your reason would be one of those 5 reasons. Okay, so be sure to write that down. If the answer is no, then tell me how you know that. Number 29, find the length of AB. That is totally possible if you know your information about triangles and angles. 30, lines BD, DG, and FG are perpendicular bisectors. So point G is the circumcenter. Based on this information, draw 3 lengths that are congruent. Okay? Draw 3 lengths that are congruent. Okay? You should know what the incenter is and what it means. Okay, moving on to number 31. Point P is the incenter. What do we know about angles 1 and 2? Number 32. I'm not going to read all that, but you can see it there. 32, make note of this. 32 is testing your knowledge on mid-segments. Mid-segments, okay? So understand that. Okay, moving on to 33. Find the exterior and interior angle of an 8-sided regular polygon. 34. Find the 3 other angles in the parallelogram. By the way, in number 34, the order of the 3 angles doesn't matter. Just list out your 3 angles. And lastly, number 35, ABCD is a rhombus. Angle DAB is 80. Find the measure of angle 1. That is really a simple problem. If you know, remember a rhombus is also a what? A parallelogram. So you should be able to find that. You should also know something about diagonals and angles of rhombi. Okay, get to work. That should be it. Get started. Have a good day. Contact me if you have any questions.